your Storm Team 6 certified most accurate forecast from Chief Meteorologist Kevin Gregory.
Well, we've had an inch and a quarter of rain downtown.
I believe it.
And get ready for probably what will take us close to 2 inches of rain. You can look from the pagoda, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, where it will be much nicer as we move into race weekend. That's a good news. Notice what you can't see downtown. Let's show you the downtown view. Looking straight north, there's a downpour as you go straight up North Meridian into northern portions of the county. Let's look to the west now. We are surrounded. There's your nearly constant lightning show. Torrential rainfall that will move back in with isolated wind damage threat as well as some hail. To the computer, these are flash flood warnings. So this is an area that's already seen up to 2 inches of rain in isolated spots with another downpour on the way. Latest warnings, as you can see, they've thinned out a little bit, but there are many hot spots along the line of strong storms between, say, Columbus and Greensburg, one strong storm there, and then southern Hendricks County, a thunderstorm warning. See these clusters of lightning? Those are the spots to watch. We're going to zoom in now, and you've got an area of thunderstorms right along 465 from Speedway down to the airport, and the metro area going to see this driving rain come in Hendricks County, Danville to Clayton to Stylesville, heavy rainfall as well. First, let's go find the leading edge. For those of you in Greensburg over to Batesville, good old-fashioned heavy rainfall may have some hail mixing in with strong winds. This storm has some real strength. West of Greenwood, Franklin, on down to Edinburgh. This may produce some damaging wind. Isolated wind gusts 50 miles per hour with anywhere from ½ to 1 inch diameter hail. This is along 231 south of Crawfordsville near Bainbridge, Roachdale, and Greencastle. This will continue to move to the south and east. Kyle's in the tracking center. He can click on this storm. It's giving us an indication moving quickly. The faster they move individually, the better the chance for some damaging wind, because it's already got a forward speed of almost 40. You bring down any wind from the upper levels, we could have some damaging wind in Stylesville, Coatesville, and Fillmore. Well, watch these storms as they slowly move to the south and to the east. A strong leading edge then starting to push towards Cincinnati. Can you find the rain cooled air? Sits right here. 64 in Indy, 83 in Bloomington, 77 in Muncie, 81 in Terre Haute, and the metro area is rain cooled, and we're going to see more torrential rainfall here in the next couple of hours. It's between 7 and 9. Most active time period. Then we start to calm things down. Temperatures will be falling into the 60s. I want you to see, as we get beyond the 7-day planner, temperatures will remain warm. 74 the average high this time of the year. We'll be in the 80s. We're going to be in the 80s once we get into early next week. This is looking west, a live view as the heavy rain starts downtown. 64 degrees, northwest wind up to 33. That's the cold front. That is what's going to end the severe weather threat eventually when we get on the cooler side, the less humid side of that cold front. And you can see 11 o'clock tonight, thunderstorms still from Indy south, dropping south and east, Bloomington to Greensburg by the time we get to 1 o'clock in the morning, and then pushing south of the Ohio River as you wake up tomorrow morning, the cooler, drier air beginning to take over. Temperatures around the region in the 70s, a much different feel. Temperatures in the afternoon hours recover from morning lows that will be generally in the upper 50s and low 60s. 78 in Bedford and Seymour, a northwest wind instead of a strong southwest wind. 76 in Greencastle, 77 in Shelbyville with less humidity. Two words you probably like to hear. As far as the 7-day planner, watch what happens. Showers, thunderstorms, therefore tonight only. Then we dry out. Thunderstorm chances diminish south of the Ohio River tomorrow. 73 Friday, 77 Saturday. We start to warm up as we get into the weekend. Temperatures back to 85 on Memorial Day, and we stay at 85 as we get to next Tuesday. That's what we're watching then, this wall of rain that moves back into Indianapolis. Take our rainfall total probably somewhere between 1.5 inches and 2 inches.
We're hearing a lot of thunder out there right now.
Constant lightning, and we've had numerous power outages already. Almost any time you have this kind of lightning, something's getting hit, and that can create its problems.